Hi guys, it's Friends, and for today's video, we're going to do a fresh and natural makeup look using vegan and cruelty-free products featuring YesStyle.
There must be something better features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
For the first product, we're going to use this Luna Long Lasting Tip Concealer in the shade number 2 Natural Beige. Using this product, I will only apply on my blemishes, acne marks, and on my under eyes to conceal them. I will use this brush to blend them out. By the way guys, this concealer is a vegan and cruelty-free product, and itong concealer na to guys, ang ganda-ganda ng coverage niya, kahit konti lang ilagay mo, and yun ang pinaka nagustuhan ko sa product na ito. For the second product, I will use this COSRX Blemish Cover Cushion in the shade number 21 Bright Beige. And I will apply this product on my whole face, and kahit ito lang guys yung gamitin yung cushion na to, kahit di ka na mag-concealer kasi ang ganda na rin ang coverage niya, na-cover na rin siya ng blemishes, acne marks, and yung texture niya guys is matte finish. For my blush, I will use this CATHY Doll and Hello Kitty Cotton Shine Blusher in the shade number 2 Frozen Peach.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
This blush has a shiny finish.
It goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to do what she...
For my brows, I will use this CARELINE Best Brow Liner in shade 2.
The dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this outer smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty.
For my brows, I will only fill it in and apply a hair-like strokes to achieve that naturally looking brows, and until I'm satisfied with my brows, I will blend it in using this spoolie brush. And by the way guys, yung brow product na ginamit ko ay hindi sponsored ng YesStyle.
Feeling like Picasso, she brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way, you didn't give me the time of day.
For my lashes, I will use this niche eyelash curler for
Really care what Simon say. All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that.
For the mascara, I will use this Maybelline Hypercurl Waterproof Mascara. And this mascara pala guys is not sponsored by YesStyle. Anyway guys, the brow product and the mascara that I use is not sponsored by YesStyle. For my lips, I will use this HEIMISH Varnish Velvet Lip Tint in the shade number 3 Scarlet Pink. I will only apply a few amount of this lip product para maging naturally looking tignan siya, and high coverage na rin pala guys yung product na to, and matte finish pa siya, kaya ma-recommend ko konti lang ilagay mo sa lips.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.